BRG 86. Ayan, mga Alliance Group. Meron sila yung kulay blue. As you can see, there it is. And woohoo! Po ang akin. Hintay lang natin dumating yung kalaban ko. Ito, dumating na pala yung kalaban ko. Yan. Go, Nissan Patrol, 950 horsepower.
Bira.
Pride ko Pampangan, ayan po yung may kabande. This is mine. Ang Camaro. Yan na.
die. Swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on. Break free of history. This train is racing straight ahead. No man can do like I can. I'm the
Ah. Sige na. Sino nga, Jamal? Ba? Jamal!
Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, phone that bling, bling. Nigga, get it about as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, got him a range. Give the shit stain. Nigga, we hit him up, how we do.
Yellow paint, I hear they scared of it, but them girls ain't. As soon as I hit the club, look at them face. Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you can tell them. Just made $1 million, got another million on my schedule. No love for them, boy, I'm breaking hearts. No keys, push to start. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
I see rappers dying, dark throats, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, no, it's my time, you must on our vibes. You was on my time when I'm riding the beat. Manipulate time like you do with their minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna start, let them motherfuckers up. I know everybody's stuck to a certain degree. They all hiding, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes in. If I choke up, I ain't making motions. Hold me to this paper. Hey, I see you later, shouldn't waste time with you goofies. But ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see. How you think you can fly past my wide wings? Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can hate that I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew it was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Like said, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a a fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame.